everyone, welcome to another episode of Fit You with Eileen. Today I thought it would be nice to show you how to do the tree pose. It is a balancing pose, so it's really great to improve your balance as well as to work on your focus and concentration, which actually helps you stay balanced. So, not only that, it really strengthens your ankle and calves, all the muscles on your balancing leg, right? Opening up the hips as well. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the pose. We begin by standing in mountain pose, your Tadasana. Alright, and from here you want to shift your weight slightly to your left side and bend your right knee, lift up your right leg as high as you can, grab hold of your right ankle and place your foot against your left inner thigh. Now if the foot doesn't go that high, you can place it on your calf or even on the floor with some blocks, on top of some blocks if you have them. Yeah, but as a rule, never place your foot against your knee joint. And from here, let's extend our arms up horizontally and bring our palms to meet in front of heart center. Now you can stay here, focusing on a point, fixed point in front of you. Balancing leg is nice and strong. Your hips are open and square to the front and your knee is pointing out to the side. And from here, if you want, join me as we lift our arms, extending up overhead. So nice length in the arms, in the spine, and focusing ahead. Hope there's a gentle smile on your face as we hold together for 5, 4, we are still breathing, 3, you are still smiling, 2, the core is engaged, and 1, exhaling, release, palms to chest, and release your foot back onto the ground, release the hands. So now we have to go on to the other side. So shifting your weight over to your left side this time, to your right side this time, and bending at the left knee, grabbing hold of that left ankle, bring it up and place it as high as you can against the inside of your right inner thigh, and raise the hands up horizontally, bringing your palms to meet in front of your heart. And from here, let's raise. You remember the options. Raising your arms up if you want to. If not, just stay with your palms at heart center, that's fine. And remember, getting the hips to open up. Hips are square to the front. Knees pointing out to the side. And we hold for 5, 4, are we smiling? 3, are we breathing? 2, you're doing good. And 1, exhale, releasing the palms back down to heart center, releasing the left foot and releasing the hands. Well done, that was your tree pose. So, thank you for joining me today. If you like to see my other yoga asanas or poses, you can click on the right hand corner of your screen right there for more links to my other yoga poses. Until next time, happy practicing, champs. That's all for now. Bye!